Good morning, first grade. Today we have our week 28 spelling. Our focus skill this week is EA, saying E. And we've been working on long E for the last 2 weeks and know that, or have learned that it can be spelled with EA and it can also be spelled with EE, but there's no rule for when to use EE versus EA. So we split the spelling list into 2 weeks. So last week we focused on EE, and today we are just focusing on EA. So when you hear the long E sound, it will be spelled with EA. All right, so if you want to grab your spelling test paper, put your first and last name on it, and we'll go through the words. And remember, you can always pause and rewind at any time if you need to. But let's go ahead and get started. Number 1. All right, number 1 is beam. Beam. The gymnast walked on the balance beam. 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 Okay, number 1, one more time. Beam. Number 2, stream. Stream. They went fishing in the stream. Listen to all those sounds in that word. Stream. Stream. Number 2 again. Stream. Number 3, cheat. Cheat. It is not very nice to cheat if you are playing a game. Cheat. 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 Number 3, one more time, is cheat. Number 4, meal. Meal. I like to have some dessert after my meal. Meal. I like to have dessert after my meal. Number 4, meal. Okay, number 5, seat. Seat. You can have a seat in that chair if you'd like. Seat. Seat. Okay, number 5, one more time, seat. Number 6, steam. Steam. There was steam coming from the boiling pot of water. Steam. Steam. Number 6 again, steam. Okay, the words 1 through 6 just quickly. Number 1, beam. Number 2, stream. Number 3, cheat. Number 4, meal. Number 5, seat. And number 6, steam. All right, number 7. Number 7 is heat. Heat. It was cold in the morning, so we had to turn on the heat. 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 Number 8, least. Least. What is your least favorite vegetable? Number 8, least. Least. Number 8, one more time, least. Number 9, team. Team. Who is your favorite team? Team. Number 9, one more time, team. Number 10, neat. neat. I like to keep my desk area neat and clean. Neat. 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 Number 10, one more time, neat. Number 11, scream. Would you scream if you saw a big spider? Scream. 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 Listen for all those sounds. Number 11 again is scream. All right, number 12, feast. Feast. We had a big feast with our family. Feast. East. Feast. Number 12, one more time. Feast. Okay, number 7 through 12 quickly. Number 7 is heat. Number 8 is least. Number 9 is team. Number 10 is neat. Number 11, scream. And number 12, feast. All right, the high frequency words for this week. Number 1, about. About. What is your favorite movie about? Number 1, one more time, about. Number 2, every. Every. Have you read every book from that series? Every. Number 2, every. Number 2, one more time, every. All right, number 3, work. Work. Did you finish all of your work yesterday? Work. Number 3, one more time, work. Okay, and number 4, friend. Friend. Is your friend in a different class? Friend. Number 4. Friend. Okay, the high frequency words 1 through 4. Number 1 is about. Number 2 is every. 3 is work. And 4 is friend. All right, almost finished. Moving on to the sentence for this week. All right, so just listen. Remember, I'll kind of split it up. You can always pause if you need to, and then I'll say it again at the end. So the sentence is, I gave the team a real feast. I gave the team a real feast. First part of the sentence, I gave the team. I gave the team second part, a real feast. A real feast. The whole sentence all together, I gave the team a real feast. Okay, and one last time, I gave the team a real feast. All right, don't forget to check the beginning of the sentence for, that's right, and the end of the sentence for, that's right. All right, great job. If you can, take a quick picture and send it in. I'll see everybody next time. Bye, thank you.